How to uninstall Valorant completely. The very first thing you want to do is to disable the Vanguard. In order to do so, click on your Windows system tree. It will show the Vanguard icon, which you need to right-click, and then select the Exit Vanguard option from the context menu. This will open a prompt that will ask if you want to continue. Click Yes, and it will stop the Vanguard anti-cheat service on your laptop or desktop. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is uninstall Riot Vanguard. First, use the Windows keyboard shortcut using K+I to open the Settings app. After this, move to the Apps section. Now you will see the list of apps installed on your system. Locate Riot Vanguard in the apps list. Then click on it and click the uninstall button. After that, follow the prompts and it will uninstall the Vanguard anti-cheat. Now what you want to do is uninstall Valorant properly. First, go to the apps list using the Windows key+I shortcut to open the Settings app. Once you're on the app list, find Valorant. Now click on the uninstall button to remove Valorant from your Windows 10 or 11 PC. This way, your Valorant will be completely uninstalled, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can uninstall Valorant completely. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.